Hello and welcome to week 17 of the Jamaican Gal Better For Me Challenge, and we're using the 52 weeks Jamaican Proverbs Journal. And this week it says, Agse, the first dirty water him see him catch him wash. And it means, this is it. This is a week's activities, and let's get into it. Let's see what it says. It says, make use of the first opportunities that comes your way instead of waiting for an ideal situation, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to list 3 times you did not take the first opportunity, and then you learned what a great opportunity it was, and then you regretted it. It's also asking, what could you have done differently? Looking back at that, what could you have done differently? How does this make you feel? What did you learn? What was the impact of these missed opportunities? If you had taken those opportunities when they presented themselves, how would your life be today? Have you changed since then in terms of, trying to do better to catch the opportunities as they come along? And you're going to rate your risk appetite. How much risk are you willing to take out of 5? You're like 2, like is that 1 year or 2, or you're just you can take a lot of risks, so you're gonna rate yourself there. And this 7-day challenge for this week would be to take calculated risks, because it is important to look at the opportunity that is presenting itself, right? There's also another proverb that says not everything that glitter is gold, right? So we have to make sure that the things that are presenting themselves are really, sound and could be beneficial, right? So you do your due diligence, mean to say you check. Because a lot of scamming going on nowadays. So sometimes people come and say, oh, we have this thing and thing and thing. You have to be careful, right? You have to be careful, because the little money where you have to ensure that you invest it wisely, right? You don't want to lose what you work so hard for. So that is what the Proverbs is about for week 17, and join me next week so we continue the journey with the Jamaican Proverbs series of books, which is the journal. It is the books for children, right? This has a new cover. When the new cover comes out, I'll show you. This also has a new cover, which is the Proverbs for the people who know in the whole heap of journal business and them just want to know what the Proverbs is about and the meaning. This book is for you. Very tough. This is for the children. I mean, they learn work on their speaking. They have writing activities. There are puzzles in them. Yes, there's debating, and so on and so forth. So there it is, puzzles for the children. All right. So all these are available on Amazon.com, or you can check out my website, drcorneliawaltersjones.com. So see you then.